Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can install Windows 10 on your device. So you have to download a program called Rufus. If you type in Rufus, you can find the website. I will drop a link down below. And you need Windows 10 ISO file. To get the ISO file, must type in Windows 10 ISO. Wait a minute. I live in a different country, so yeah. But it's gonna show you it's gonna show you Windows Media Creation Tool, but don't download that. That's not direct ISO. You should change the user agent. I'm using Firefox, so there's extension. Let's say this one. And there is its direct ISO file. So back here, the Rufus, you should select, this should be selected, disk or ISO image. Then press select. I have ISO image right here. I'm a click. And GPT should stay here if you got a newer computer, UEFI. But if you BIOS computer, you should select that. Never mind. You should select standard Windows installation. NTFS. Default should be good. And if I start, it should start. But be careful. Make sure the drive is on the place during the formatting. So yeah, it couldn't install this because it's 4.2 gigabytes. See you installation. So we are back at device again, boot manager. I have an article down below to show you how to enter boot manager. So this is virtual machine UEFI settings. So yeah, virtual machine doesn't make any difference. The difference is CD-ROM. You should have USB drive, USB HDD or directly USB. So yeah, pressing to boot from CD.
Ne yapıyorsun Erdem? Derste misin?
Video.
Video. Pardon.
So here it is. I have Turkish language. You should have English. Install now. Click install now. If you have product key, you can enter. I don't have product key now. And for doing this for stereo. Now you should, if you don't have product key, you should select a version, correct version. For example, if you have Pro product key, then you should select Pro. So on. And now select Home. you can read the end user agreement. I accepted it. Now click special advanced. This is for if you have like Windows 7 or 8, but we are doing Clink installation, so click special advanced. So I have 70 gigs of HSD here. Click new, apply, and there is warning. Click OK, and this will do like recovery partitions. Click next, and yeah, Windows installing. See you in the OOB. So now our system is rebooting. Installation is complete. Yeah, wait a few minutes. It's different from system to system. So this is SATA. If you got NVMe drive, it loads faster. Devices are getting ready now. Soon we will boot into OOB. In long out-of-box experience, so when you buy a new laptop Windows 10 pre-installed, it automatically boots into that screen. Getting ready. I also do upgrade of Windows 10 to Windows 8, 8.1 and 8.1 and Windows 7. Oh my god, why it's so slow? Yeah, I think it's booting into OOB. It's reloading. Now we are booting in the OOB. By the way, this is Windows version 20H2, newest version by this time. Let me select America. I'm you should connect the internet. I'm gonna do it later. Now, if you that I don't want internet connection, you can't enter Microsoft account. So I'm gonna enter offline account. I don't need password. Now there's a lot of things Microsoft wants to take you from. I will disable all of them. If you can disable them too if you are precious about your privacy. There is no internet, so it passed all of like OneDrive, Microsoft 365. I will time lapse here. Yay, now we booted in the Windows 10. To your monitor, this will automatically change, but I'm using VM, so it will stay like this. So yeah, it will go type in WinRAR. You can see 20H2 here, Windows 10. Thanks for watching, guys. I will do upgrade video of Windows 8.1 to Windows 10 or Windows 7 8.2 Windows 10. See you later. Bye.